now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Superstitious draws for their lead. Cuts away right behind in second by the rail. Dugos Charm, Magic Mysteries in between runners. And I Want Justice is on the outside past the last 800. Superstitious in command by a length and a half. Cuts away in second, moving up to take third. I Want Justice, Magic Mysteries, and Dugos Charm is running in behind them, heading towards the last 450. Superstitious, this time by about 2 lengths. Cuts away still in second, down in third. I Want Justice, Magic Mysteries remains in fourth, and Dugos Charm as they turn for home. No change with the leader. Superstitious still leading the field. Cuts away, getting closer on the outside. I Want Justice remains in third. Magic Mysteries is running in fourth with the last 100 meters more to run. Superstitious cuts away Magic Mysteries, moving up on the outside. And finally, Magic Mysteries cuts away Superstitious, I Want Justice, and Dugos Charm.